everyone, my name is Lindsey Luks. I'm one of the horticulturists at Therapeutic Gardens. And if you're like me, we're all being responsible and staying home so we can take care of ourselves and our families. So that also means that we have extra time on our hands to finally get some of these projects done at home. And for me, that's a lot of gardening. So I wanted to just do a quick video today to show you guys how you can easily divide a perennial, which now is the time to do it. So I've got this goldenrod that I bought from the Duke plant sale last fall. And as you can see, it's got lots of little plants coming up. It's very, very root bound. This is Pandora. She's our garden kitty. See there? Lots of roots. So, I'm just going to chop it up, and I'll tell you what one of my professors told me in college is plants want to live. So this looks really brutal, but it's actually going to do this plant a lot of good. So there's one little plant we can plant there. So we've got 3 plants out of this 1-gallon pot. And it's as simple as that. We'll just loosen up these roots that are left and dig these guys some holes and pop them in, and they'll be good to go. So take care, enjoy your time at home as best as you can. We'll all get through this together.